Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Saturday Racing, May 10, 2025. Ferrocom Rating Base Handicap System Race Summer Racing Festival. Summer na at napakainit. No bearing races, kaya no effect. Araw ng Sabado, meron tayong 7 races. All 7 races, lahat ng 7 karera ay may distansyang 1,400 meter. Starting time ng karera, alas 4 ng hapon, 4 p.m. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, umpisa ng winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Isang non-winner, 3-year-old and above maiden race, placers. Napakarami ng mga entries ngayong Sabado. Race 1, Race 3, at Race 7, last race, full gate. Race 1, first choice, number 1, Neo Win, isang imported na kabayo. Ang tanging babanggitin na lang natin, wala na rito yung kanyang mga nakalaban, kagaya nila Trusted One at Most Wonderful. Second choice, number 3, Spreewell, Dan L. Camanero riding. Third choice, number 14, Gentleman Bell, JB Hernandez pa rin. Yung Neo Win, JT Pabilik on top. Dumako na tayo sa race 2. Umpisa ng pick 6, covers races 2 to 7. Ito, mababang grupo. First choice, number 2, Calle Loreto. First choice po rin uli natin. Last time na tumakbo to, dismal yung performance. Pero I believe on this race ay iba na. Second choice, number 5, Princess Belle. Third choice, pinakamabilis dito. At pag na-rate, kayang banderang tapos. Number 3, Dynamic Dyna. Dumako na tayo sa race number 3. Ito ay isang pick 5, covering races 3 to 7. First choice, number 11, Winter's Fury. Second choice, number 6, Barek Na. Third choice, number 10, Sinag. Tayo sa race number 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. First choice, coupled entry 2, Space Jam, 2A, Don Damiano. Palagay ko ay ang timpla rito lamang. Ito, coupled entry. Second choice, number 6, Marquis Angel. Race number 5, first choice, coupled entry 3, Limunsadan Falls, at 3A, Puting Kabayo, Karing Melody. Second choice, number 12, Jean Jenny. Third choice, number 8, Go Aidan Go. Race 6, penultimate race at race na may pentapekta. Dito, first choice natin, number 12, This Old Heart of Mine. Last time, medyo hindi masyadong ginalaw. This time, palagay ko, active. Second choice, number 5, Sabawani. Baka magbanderang tapos kung sakali. Third choice, number 6, Doña Leoncia. Sa last race na may Super 6 paratingan. First choice, number 10, Elegant Lady. Isang puting kabayo rin at matagal ng naliop, bakasyon. Pero bago magbakasyon, maganda ang kinikilos at palagay ko nakabuti pa lalo yung bakasyon o pahinga. Second choice, number 14, Carmela's Love.
God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!